how to transfer ownership of Discord server on your mobile. What is up, everybody? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily transfer your ownership on Discord. Open up your Discord application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you're just going to have to head over to your own Discord server. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on my own server here. So this is the Discord server that I'm owner of. So if I want to change the owner here, you just need to make sure that there is someone else there that you want to transfer ownership to. Then just go to your server settings. So click on the server settings or the server name, and it will open up the server settings. Now scroll down, and here you're just going to have to find your members. Now just open up your server settings from here. Once your server settings is open, scroll down until you find members. Here is the user management. So once you open up the members tab, just find someone that you want to transfer ownership to. So let's say if I just tap on this person, here you have an option to edit roles, timeout, kick, ban, and then at the end you have the transfer ownership option. So you have to check this box where it says, I acknowledge that by transferring ownership to this server to this person, it officially belongs to them and you no longer have the control over the server. Now, just if you're sure you just want to transfer, tap on transfer. It will send you a verification code on your email. Just enter the code and then tap on transfer ownership and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll catch you on the next one.